Hello my internet friends, how are you? I wish all the best. In this video I am gonna show you how to install WordPress themes. We can easily install a WordPress theme with just follow some simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, we can easily install themes in two ways. First one, we can download it and install themes from the WordPress themes options, and other is if we have the downloaded WordPress themes, we can install the theme from the WordPress themes upload options. So now I logged in the WordPress dashboard, and then I will go the appearance and the themes options. So now you can see here have the themes options interface, and you can see the small Hello Elementor themes are installed in our WordPress themes in this site, and it looks like that. So if we install the theme into the WordPress store, so I need to click add new button. After clicking add new button, we are now the WordPress themes store. You can see the lots of themes here, and there are some category here, upper sections, and you can see click on the popular, all the popular themes, and click the popular here. Now you can see this is the lots of popular themes now we show. So now I need to install these themes in this WordPress site. So now I click the install button. You can see now these themes are installed. It's very simple way. After installing completed, then you just click the active button and it will be activated. Now you can see the themes are installed. You can see here the notifications, the installed, and now we click the active button. You can see these themes are now activated. You can see, have a look, this is our new themes powered by Astra WordPress themes. That's good. Now how to import the by default layout in these themes. So now I will go the Astra option. You can see the appearance and Astra options, and you can see you can customize everything in here. There are the upload logo, customize font and header options, everything we have here. So if you need to install these themes, you need to use the Elementor plugin. So in the another video I will show you how to customize your layout at home page, and just in this video I will show you how to install WordPress themes. The another way, you can install WordPress themes in the themes options and click add new, and then you can see the upload themes. If you have a downloaded themes in here, you can just by clicking the upload theme here, and then you choose your themes file here. So now you can see I have the theme forest themes here, lot of themes forest. I just extract one themes in here. Now extracted, and I can see the TW9 this folders, and then I extract again, and now we will see the two kind of themes here. So this is our main file, and this is the child themes. So this is the license options. We have no need to license option because this is the theme forest free themes. That's why just I click the themes option in here, and then just click the install, and you can see the installing theme from uploaded file, and then the unpacking package and uninstall the themes, and the theme successfully installed. So now I can activate these themes. You can see these themes now live. Now we can check the visit link. You can see this is our new themes. So guys, this two way we can install your WordPress themes in your WordPress site. That's it. So if you enjoy this video, you can like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.